Hello everyone, my name is Vivek Ford. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Better Call Paul. In this video, we are going to learn about how to analyze sales data of Diwali festival using Python. You can find the source code link in the description box where I have provided my GitHub repository link. So let's get started. I have created three files. One is a Diwali Sales Analysis.ipynb. One is a Diwali Sales Data.csv, which I got from internet, and one is a readme.mb. So here you see Diwali Sales .csv file. You have user ID, customer name, product ID, genders of that customers, age groups, age of that customer, marital status, state, zone, occupation, product category, orders, amount, status, and unnamed columns are present. Some values are missing like this, or some columns are present which are missing like this. We have to clean the data to get the better output, to get better insights. Now we will do data analysis using Python. So here is a .ipynb file, Jupyter notebook file. I will explain the code line by line to you. Now first of all I have to install Python libraries, which you can see here. I have imported NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn. So first of all I have to install it, and what I have to do, exclamatory mark with install NumPy and plot lead keyboard and shift enter, as I have already installed the libraries, so the gaming requirement already satisfied. Okay, then I will now explain you. Yes, you can see requirement already satisfied. Now I will explain you this code line by line. Import NumPy as nppd plt, these are allies of this library. NumPy is instead of denoting NumPy every time we can denote NP. Instead of denoting pandas every time we can denote PD as a short form. So what this line means, import NumPy as NP. It means you are importing NumPy library and it gives it a short allows NP. NumPy is used for numerical computation and handling arrays. Now here pandas as PD, it is a powerful data analysis and manipulation library, giving it a short alias as PD. Here matplotlib.py plot as PLT. Here we are importing matplotlib library, matplotlib module as a PLT, and it helps in visualizing data through charts. Charts may be bar graph, line graph, pie charts, like that. This percent matplotlib in line, it means that it is a special Jupyter notebook command, also called as magic command, that ensures your plots appear within the notebook output instead of opening in the window. Now we are importing Seaborn library as SNS. SNS is a short form of Seaborn. So it is a higher level data visualization library based on Matplotlib. It provides cleaner and more stylish charts. Now we will see this line, df is equals to pd.read csv. Df is a variable where we are storing this into df variable. Now PD.read session means it reads the we are allowing pandas to read our CSV file, comma separated values file into a data frame, the pandas tip, and the file name is data says that Diwali Sales Data.csv, where encoding is we are providing Unicode escape means it is used to correctly read text data that might contain special characters like rupees, incident letters, any kind of symbol, Roman letters, like that. And these results are stored into a variable df, which now holds all your CSV data as a data frame. Now we will run this code by pressing Shift Enter. You can see the values are stored into df variable. Now we can see df.shape. It returns a tuple in bracket rows comma column indicating the size of the data set. For example, when I press shift enter, it gives 11 to 51 comma 15 means 11 to 51 are rows, 15 are columns. Now df.read, it by default displays 5 rows of the data set like this. These are 5 rows, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, total 5 rows. You can see 10 rows as well or 8 rows as well by shift enter. Now including 0, there are 8 rows. So this is used to display the rows of the data set. You can pass any number you want, and it is useful for quick look at your data, how your data looks. Now df info. Df info displays the number of rows and columns, column names, nominal value columns, data types of each column. You can see when you press enter, it gives all the column names, all total 15 column names. User ID, customer name, these are all nominal values, all have uh, same rows 11 to 15, but some are null rows like in amount column there are some null rows. In status column there are 0 rows present. So we have to drop these columns as well as some rows from amount section. We will do it later. So here we are dropping status column and unnamed column because they have 0 values, and axis is equal to 1 means that column, vertical column. Index is equal to 2 means it modifies the original data frame directly, no need to reassign. Assign 1 means drop columns using and assign axis is equal to 1 means drop the column. Axis is equal to 0 means it is rows. Status is equal to unnamed one. Uh, Status and unnamed one are the list of columns you want to remove. Df.drop means it removes the specified columns or specified rows. You see, we have removed it. After that, pd.isNull dot sum, it means it checks for missing main values, means empty values in each column, and dot sum means it counts how many null exist per column. After that, we will put shift enter. See, there are null values present in the amount section as we discussed earlier, 12 null values. Now we have to drop the null values. Df.drop any in place is equal to true. In place is equal to true means by default stored in that df variable. We don't have to copy paste, make so many versions of df. It will also reduce our data size. Now we change the data type. Df of amount is equal to df dot amount as type int means converts the data type of amount column to integer. Usefully if it was read as float or object, typically type initially. So now what is the data type of amount column? Now we can check it by using dot data types. Here our data type is int 32. Now df dot columns means list all the column names of your data frame. It is helpful for referencing and renaming. We have to, for example, if we have to rename narrative status and family, then we can rename using the dot rename columns narrative status converted to Shadi. This is key value pair, key column value, key column value. So we have changed the narrative status name on the column to Shadi. You can see here you can see the name of the column changed to Shadi. Previously it was narrative status. Okay. Now we are going to use this command dev.describe and here also dev.describe. Dev.describe means it was the summary statistics for all numerical columns. Initially, it provides a count, mean, standard deviation, minimum value, 25% quartile, 50% value, 75% value, and maximum value. These are quartiles present. So you can see each total values are 11 to 39. Total count. Mean age is means average age is 35 years. Standard deviation is 12. Minimum age is 12. 25% quartile is 25% of the people are having age less than 27. Half of the people are having age 53, under age 33, and maximum age is 92%. 70% people are having 43 years of age, like that way, and maximum age is 92%, 92 years. Now, here DF of age orders amount described. This returns a summary of only these selected columns. It helps focus on relevant numerical data instead of all the columns. So here you can see only this is all the columns. Now we will do exploratory data analysis. In EDA exploratory data analysis, we will see gender-wise distribution and age-wise distribution, occupational-wise distribution. Here we will plot a bar chart for gender and its count. So we'll see the first line of code AX is equals to estimate dot count plot x-axis is equals to gender data is equals to name. It means that SNS dot count plot it means it draws a bar chart showing the count of each category in the gender column, and x-axis will be gender. Here the values of gender like male and female will be plotted on x-axis. After that, data is equals to df means test we want to take the data from df. Okay, and all this data will be stored in this variable a. Now we will run this for loop. Why for loop? So here we have to iterate all the values from that containers. Okay, a exact container means it groups. It is a group of bars in the chart, and looking through them allows labeling each bar with its exact count. A dot bar label bars represents the number of value on the top of each bar, and filter dot shows means displays the final chart. You will see the chart now. So see you can see female versus male, and these are the counts. So female count is 7,832, where male count is 3,407. This is gender-wise distribution. Now we will plot the total sales amount by gender. So here see we have created one variable sales gen is equal to this line of code. I will explain you this line of code. Df.group by gender means I will group all the rows based on gender. among the sum means it calculates the total purchase amount per gender. As index is equal to false, it gives the result as a regular data frame, not an index. Dot sort values parentheses means sort results by total amount in descending order. And after that, we have created a bar chart showing total sales amount for each gender. Female versus males in total purchase value. We'll see the insights now. See, amazing insights we can do. From above graph, we can see that the most of the buyers are females and even the purchasing power of the female are greater than male. And here you can generate insights like female buys more and spend more overall. And we will plot count of buyers by age group with gender distinction. So here you can see this line of code is actionable contract data is equal to x is equal to age group and here is equal to gender. So x is equal to age group is it groups like 18 to 25, 26 to 35 age groups. Here is equal to gender means it separates the bars male and female for each age group and it visualizes the gender distribution within each group. Now we will see this column. Levels each bar with count values same as before as we discussed before. We can see the amazing data insights from this data. Like this is age group 26 to 35, 0 to 17, 36 to 45, above 55, and these are number of rows. You can see number of customers are there. So we can see that 26 to 35 age group is more purchasing group now. Total amount versus age group. Hmm. Here also we have created another variable says age, and here we group by age group and calculate the total amount spent. We have sorted in descending order on the total sales. Also, uh, here we have in this line of code we have show the total amount spent by each group. And we see some insights. So see, you can see the insights here. Uh, Most buyers are females and they are aged 26 to 30. You can see that you can see that the most of the buyers are of age group between 26 to 31 years are female. Here now we will see total number of orders from 10 states. Here we have created one variable sales state, and here we group the data by state. State-wise we have grouped it. It calculates total number of orders from each state, and it sorts this data in descending order and keep the top 10 states as well. So here you can see the states. Top performing state is Uttar Pradesh. A lot of customers from Uttar Pradesh. Then Maharashtra, then Karnataka, and 10th number is Gujarat. Now here the meaning of this 15 by 5 is we can change it this 15 inches multiplied by 15 inches by 5 inches. This is the size of this graph and the plot bar chart showing top 10 states ordered by count. Now it is the same as before but sums amount instead of orders. So amount spent by the states is here we can see the purchase orders, but here you can see the amount spent per state. Uttar Pradesh rank top and 10th number is Gujarat, second number is Maharashtra. So from this graph you can see that most of the orders and total sales amount are from Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra and third number is Karnataka respectively. Now we will see the data according to marital status. Count by marital status. It shows the how many buyers are married versus unmarried. So it says the figure size and labels in the bar chart with counts. You can see, these are marital status. So after that, so you can see zero. You can see sales state. We have created one variable sales state is equals to df dot group by marital status gender and all. Also we group by this data by marital status and gender. Find the total amount for each combination. Married is female. Example married and female. So, and here this line of code will show you how much each group spend separated by gender. You can see now females are in blue color, orange color is for male, and you see females spend more whether they are married or they are unmarried. You can see that married women spend the most. Okay, from this above graph, you can see that most of the buyers are married women and they have a high purchasing powers. Now occupation wise we will go. Here you can see that we plot the number of buyers per occupation type. For example, IT, healthcare, for example this. Then we have run the for loop. It covers the bar chart, bar counts. You can see healthcare people are there, IT sector people are there, aviation people are there. So we can rank IT sector people have more purchasing power, and then second rank is healthcare, third rank is aviation, then banking, then and so on. After that, we see total sales amount occupation. This sales rate is equal to the occupation is occupation wise. It groups by occupation and sums the total amount spent. Uh, Here SMS dot law dot state RC is equal to figure pic size 25, 20 inches by 5 inches. The graph will be generated. It plots the total amount of spent for occupation insights. Now we'll see the insights where IT sector has more purchasing power than healthcare than aviation. This is in descending order we have generated because we have put down this ascending is equal to first. So it gives you in descending order. And from above graph, you can see that most of the guys are working in IT industry, healthcare industry, aviation industry. These are top three category, top three occupations who has more purchasing power. After that, product category. Here you can see that series that state and this 20 by 5 size image will be generated. It shows count count of sold products by category, food, clothing, electronics, etc. Here you can see that food category is more, clothing and apparel category is also more. Now we will see the code line by line. Here label each bar and after that sales state is equal to df dot group dot product category. It's, it finds the top 10 product category by total sales amount and it visualizes top selling product categories. So you can see food categories top selling, then cloth and apparel, electronics, footwear, shoes, furniture, games, toys, sports, product, beauty, auto stationery. From this graph, we can say that most of the sold products are food, clothing, electronics category. Now we see top 10 most sold products by product ID. Um, Here it groups by product ID, sums the number of orders and shows the top 10 products. Here bars are for top 10 products IDs with most sales. Use include. These are according to product IDs. So no alternative plot using plot league where it improves by 12 inches by 7 inches. It creates a new figure at 12 by 7. Groups by product ID, sums order text, top 10 largest and largest. It then sorts them in descending order. You can see that, and now you can see the whole graph. And another way to show the same top 10 products. Okay. Now here we can see final conclusion. Married women aged 26 to 35 from Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra and Karnataka working in IT, healthcare and aviation are the most frequent and highest spending buyers, mostly purchasing food, clothing and electronic items. So these are insights we have generated by this Diwali Sales Analysis data using Python. This is a data science project. Here in this project, we have performed exploratory data analysis on sales data of Diwali festival for a mall using Python libraries like pandas, numpy, matplotlib, and here we have analyzed customer behavior based on their gender, their occupation, their state, their marital status, occupation, product category, and so on, and to understand who buys most and what products are selling. From our analysis, we found that married women aged 26 to 35 from Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, and then Karnataka, working in IT, healthcare, aviation sectors, are the top buyers, mostly purchasing food, electronic products. We can have benefits of this project, real world insights. From this project help us to give real world insights like it help on businesses, DMart, shop, malls, to understand the target audience and design better marketing strategy. It helps in decision making process as well. It enables data driven decisions like which product to buy, which product to stock in your shop. Means you have to manage your inventory. You will take decisions by looking at this data insights or which region we should target. This project will be helpful for your career growth as well. This is a great project to showcase your data analysis skills using Python for your portfolio or resume. Foundation for ML models. This ED, exploratory data analysis, can be the first step before building sales prediction or recommendation models. This is very good for visual storytelling. It makes complex data easy to understand through beautiful charts and visual insights. So that's all for today's exploratory data analysis project. And we have explored how data can reveal powerful business insights from customer demographics to spending patterns. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe on this channel for more such data projects explained in a very simple language, line by line code explanation. Also, if you want the source code, you can check the GitHub link in the description box below in this YouTube video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video coming soon. Thank you.
Subscribe to my channel.